Igbo culture and tradition, and the topic we have today is market, which is Ahia, and we have 4 market days in Igbo land: Eke, Orie, Afor, Nkwo. Welcome back to my channel, Learning Igbo with High Center. And in today's lesson, we'll be teaching about Igbo market days. Alright, as I mentioned earlier, we have 4 Igbo market days. We have Eke, we have Orie, we have Afor and Nkwo. They said that Eke is the eldest, followed by Orie. You know, as you mention them down, Eke, eldest, Orie, Afor, Nkwo is their last born. So they are brothers, siblings, okay? 4 siblings. Alright, so when you hear market, how do you say it in Igbo? Market is called Ahia. Ahia. Can you say it? Ahia. Good. And you can say Kam ga ahia. Kam, let me. Okay? Kam ga ahia. Let me go to market. Ga ahia zụta ose. It means go to the market and buy pepper. You can tell someone, go and buy salt for me. Gaa zụtara m nnu. Gaa zụtara m ose. Go and buy pepper for me. So it could be anything. Gaa zụtara m this. Gaa zụtara m that. Are you getting it? So can you try? Just try and say, my mother went to the market in Igbo. Try it. My mother went to the market. Remember, my mother means nnem, right? Mother is nne. Then my mother, nnem. So my mother went to the market. Nnem gara ahia. Can you say it? Nnem gara ahia. Say it again. Good. Now, in Igbo land, there are market days that you can get married, and there are market days that you don't marry on that day. If you are a man, you don't go to introduction or to pay for a bride price, all right, which is Eke market day. Igbo land, they see Eke market as a sacred day for their ancestors, all right, to rest. Are you getting it? So they don't really need disturbance that very day. So they observe it, okay? They keep it sacred. Marrying on that day is forbidden. The Igbo part which I come from, all right, we don't marry on Eke market day. And I don't know about yours, but generally 80 to 90% of Igbo land, they do not marry on Eke market day. Are you getting it? So any person that insists and go against this tradition, there must be a consequences that will follow it. At times, it might be that you will see someone doing very well in his business, okay? And then after, because the person married on Eke market day, you see the person's business starts going backwards. Are you getting it? And the person will be asking, what is happening to me? Where are all this coming from? Without knowing that it's because of the simple disobedience. Your culture is culture, tradition is tradition. It's not that one is fetish belief. No. All right. All these things, they have consequences that goes with them. It might be after marrying, tomorrow, your offsprings will be abnormal. This one will be behaving like this one. Are you getting it? So marrying on Eke market days is forbidden. And if you are a married woman, all right, and you've been having some issues or misunderstanding with your spouse, all right, and maybe that day the altercation was just very unbearable, and you feel like, I'm going to my father's house. You want to give me, I will not stay in this marriage and die. I'm going back to my father's house. I'm not marrying again. This is over. You just pack your things. You just pack your things and left your husband's place without knowing that it's Eke market day. Are you getting it? If such happens, there won't be any, like, if it's one of old mama in our village. She says mekwatarism. Okay, there's a kind of, you can never resolve that issue. Like, it is done, it is done. No coming back again. They will see it as you've gone finally from that marriage. Even if it's something that can be resolved or sorted out later. Okay? And because of that single act, living on that Eke market day, lie with that marriage will hold again. That will be the end. So we have to be careful. We have to be very careful in observing all these culture and traditions. All right, maintaining or following your culture and tradition doesn't mean that you are worshiping an idol or you are believing in fetish practices. So marrying on Eke market days can actually lead or even result to that unstable marriage. Are you getting it? It can lead to that unstable marriage. Kata every day, ups and down, fighting, misfortune. So if you're an Igbo man or woman and you do not know about your Igbo market days, start now. Like, I mean right now. Okay? Call your mom, call your dad, your siblings, your relations, your cousins, all right? And ask them, what is today's market day? And you need to note it. Okay, as a man, you need to note it so that you won't make mistake to go and marry on Eke market day. And the woman also, you also need to note it so that even if that your supposed husband forgets, you remind him. Just to avoid all these issues. All right, so this is where we're going to stop. And please remember to subscribe to my channel for more Igbo lessons like this. I will see you in our next lesson. Bye.